Welcome to Rizal University, where your journey to explore the world begins. Get ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of travel with our Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management program. Do you have a passion for discovering new places, cultures, and creating unforgettable moments for travelers? Are you ready to turn your love for travel into a rewarding career? Join us as we celebrate the excitement of tourism and the positive impact it has on the world.
Hello there, everyone. I'm Ms. Cristal Gian Sebastian from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management. Welcome to Rizal University College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, where we believe that every individual has an inner hero waiting to emerge. Today, we stand before you not just a teacher, but as a believer in the extraordinary potential that resides within each of us. In the realm of hospitality and tourism, where every smile, every gesture, and every interaction holds immense significance, we understand the importance of nurturing compassionate heroes. Our curriculum not only focuses on technical expertise, but also on the cultivation of empathy, kindness, and understanding. We believe that a true hero is someone who not only excels in their profession, but also uplifts others, making the world a better place, one gesture at a time. The Tourism Management program will equip students with competencies that are needed to execute operational tasks and management functions, both in leisure management, air cabin crew training, tourism planning, monitoring, tourism product development, marketing and sales, activities, planning and execution of meetings, incentives, conventions, and events, transportation services, travel and tour operations, and other emerging sectors of the tourism industry. After completing the Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, the graduates will excel in their profession or career utilizing critical thinking in the latest development and technologies that will be acquired in the Hospitality and Tourism program. They will also become effective communicators, collaborators, and innovators in a multidisciplinary and multicultural tourism industry, applying professional, technical skills and competencies to make a positive impact in the society. They will also be engaged in lifelong learning and professional development through self-study, research, continuing education, or graduate and professional studies. And lastly, they will be able to communicate effectively, orally and writing, using mother tongue language and other appropriate foreign languages required by the tourism and hospitality industries.
At Rizal University, we invite you to discover the world and create cherished memories with our Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management program. Join us and become a travel enthusiast dedicated to making a positive impact on travelers and the global tourism community.